Welcome back students. Now see question number 9. The adjoining figure represents a rectangular lawn with a circular flower bed in the middle. Find the first one, the area of the land, the area of the flower bed, third one, the area of the lawn excluding the area of the flower bed, and the last one is the circumference of the flower bed. So this is a diagram. So first of all we will find this area of the whole land, where length is 10 meter, breadth is 5 meters. So area is equal to what? L into B. So length 10, breadth 5, length into breadth, that is 10 into 5, 50 meters square. So the total area of the land is 50 meters square. Now we have to find area of the flower bed. So this is the area of flower bed which is in circular, in which the radius is given 2 meter. So area of circular flower bed is equal to what? Pi r square. Pi is 3.14, r square 2 into 2. Do the multiplication, you will get 12.56 meters square. This is the area of this circular flower bed. Next is we have to find the area of lawn excluding this flower bed. Means we have to find the area of this portion. What is this? Total minus area of flower bed. So that is 50 minus 12.56. When you do the subtraction, you will get 37.44 meters square. The fourth question is we have to find the circumference of this flower bed, that is 2 pi r. So circumference is equal to what? 2 pi r. Substitute the value 2 into 3.14 into 2. Do the calculation, you will get the answer 12.56 meters square. So this way we can solve question number 9. Go on to the next question. See question number 10. You have given one figure when we have to find the area of shaded portion. So let's understand, this is your diagram and we have to find the area of this portion. Neither it's rectangle, nor it's square, nor it's triangle. Then how will you find this area? So what we can do is we can find the total area of this A, B, C, D, and from that total area we just find, we have here two triangles, first triangle, second triangle. Okay, so total area we will find first, then we will find the area of this triangle and area of this triangle. Then we separate addition of area of these two triangles from the total one, so that we will get the area of this portion. This is not in a particular shape, so directly we cannot find the area of shaded portion. In place of that, what we can do, we find the total area minus area of one triangle minus area of this triangle. So this way we can find the area of shaded portion. So let's start. So for ABCD, area is equal to L into B. So here your length is 18 centimeter and breadth is 10 centimeter. So 18 multiplied by 10. So what is the answer? 180 centimeter square. Now we will find the area of this triangle. The formula is 1/2 base into height. So this is right angle. So this is your base 10 centimeter and this is your height 6 centimeter. So area of triangle AEF is equal to 1/2 base into height. 5 to the 10, 6 5 is 30. So 30 centimeters square. Now we will find the area of this triangle, that is EBC. So area of triangle EBC is equal to 1/2. This is your height and this is your base. So base into height, that is 8 into 10. So 2 5 is 10, 8 5 is 40 centimeter square. So now area of shaded portion is equal to what? Area of shaded portion equal to total area minus area of triangle, which triangle? AEF, minus area of triangle, which triangle? EBC, which is equal to total area is 180 centimeter minus 30 minus 40. So what is your answer? 180 minus 70, which is equal to 110 centimeter square. So area of this shaded portion is 110 centimeter square. So this way we can solve the question. Second figure, that is also same. You have to find the area of shaded portion. So in that you have given a squares. So same way, first of all you will find the area of total square PQRS. Then here you have given 3 triangles. I will explain with the help of diagram. This you have to do by yourself. So what is given? Square is given, and this is the portion that you have to find the area. This is 10 centimeter given here to here. This is also 10 centimeter. Hole is 10 centimeter. And this is also 10 centimeter. Now, you have to find the area of this shaded portion. This is your C, Q, R, A. So what you will do? You will first find the area of total square, that is 10 into 10, 100 centimeter square you will get. Then here you get how many triangles? 3 triangles you will get. For each triangle, this is your 10 centimeter square. Sorry, this one is your 20 centimeter square. Measurement is 20. This is 10 centimeter here to here. So first of all, you find the area of total, that is 100 centimeter square. Then area of each triangle, 1/2 base into height. So you will get 1, 2, 3 triangles, 3 areas of triangle. Do the addition of that area, and whatever answer you will get, that you have to subtract from 100 centimeter square. So this way you can solve this question by yourself. Any query you can ask me. Move on to the next question, question number 11. See question number 11. The question is, find the area of the quadrilateral ABCD. Here AC is equal to 22 centimeter, BM is 3 centimeter, DN is equal to 3 centimeter, and BM is perpendicular to AC and DN is perpendicular to AC. The diagram is given to you. This is the quadrilateral ABCD, in which this is your AC of 22 centimeter, this is your BM of 3 centimeter and DN of 3 centimeter. So we have to find the area of this quadrilateral. So what we can do here, this is your first triangle, this is your second triangle. So when you find the area of quadrilateral means you are finding the area of triangle ABC and triangle ABC. So individually we find the area of both the triangles and then we do the addition. So let's see, AC is equal to 22 centimeter, BM is 3 centimeter and DN is 3 centimeter. So now area of quadrilateral ABCD is equal to what? Area of triangle ABC plus area of triangle ADC. So we know that area of triangle is 1/2 base into height. So 1/2 AC is your base and BM is your height. Plus 1/2 AC is your base and now DN is your height. Substitute the measurement, 1/2 into 22 into 3 plus 1/2 into 22 into 3. Do the calculation. 2 11s are 22. So we are getting 33. Same way 2 11s are 22. We are getting 33. 33 plus 33 will give you 66 centimeter square. So this way we can solve exercise 11.4, 11th question. Here your exercise is completed as well as the chapter is also completed. I have given few examples as a homework. Try to do that example by yourselves. Any query you can ask me. I will solve your query. Go through whole chapter because this chapter is very important. On the basis of these formulas, you are dealing some more formulas, including these formulas in the 8th standard. So you have to remember all these formulas, which is helpful in your 8th standard. The same chapter is again repeated, so it is better to understand. Any query you can clear out in 7th standard only, so that it is very easy for you to understand the same concept in elaborate way in 8th standard. So this chapter is very important for you. Thank you.